All right, welcome back. This morning, the Jovial Family Farm is working to improve the lives of seniors in our community, and you can be a part of their efforts. Here to talk about their farm and are doctors Bobby and Brian Jellison, both the founders of the farm and doctors dedicated to caring for others. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here.
We're happy to be here. Yep.
So tell us about your family farm. Still fairly new in the past year or so. Tell us what you're all about and what you offer.
So we focus on seniors, and primarily we seek to help them with some of their social isolation and engage them in the community across all ages through urban agrarian activities and culinary activities.
That's wonderful. Why did you come up with this idea? Why did you want to start this? You're in the Broad Ripple area. Why did you want to create this?
A big part of the motivation was actually the COVID lockdowns. Bobby's primary concern for the seniors was that they were so isolated that the rest of us got but a glimpse of what some seniors experience on a daily basis.
So when they come out to the farm, what do they do?
Well, they volunteer with some of the local high school students. We have a lot of students from Broad Ripple, Polytechnic High School, Butler University, Purdue University. The students have just been phenomenal with them, and the seniors get the opportunity to teach the students what it's like to age in today's environment.
They're both teaching each other, working together.
You've got it.
That's
wonderful. Exactly right.
In medicine, mentorship is critically important. We have this phrase, see one, do one, teach one, whatever the procedure may be. So some of that is coming through in the farm because we have some expert level master gardeners participating.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. That's wonderful. And talk a little bit about what you see in some of the seniors that come to the farm, and also I guess the other students as well. I'm sure you see their attitudes change from when they start to after, a few weeks or months, right?
Yeah. Actually, it's pretty interesting because initially there was reluctance on both sides of the fence as far as the students were concerned and the seniors. But once they started interacting with one another, I mean, it was explosive, absolutely explosive. I think it was a lot of purposeful exchange shared, so it was great.
That's great. We also want to get the word out about volunteers, right? I mean, again,
absolutely.
Still fairly new in the Broad Ripple area. What could people do to help?
It runs the gamut because we are so young. So jovialfamilyfarm.org, you'll get a glimpse of some of the activities and programs in the blog. But everything from web design to, we'll say, hard labor, physical activities, and everything in between.
Culinary skills.
Culinary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone with culinary skills, please.
That is wonderful. Well, this seems like a great idea. We'll have to come out to the farm to really see it in action, to see those relationships being built.
You're invited.
Wonderful. I can't wait. Well, thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. And for more information on the family farm and how it's helping seniors, you can just visit fox59.com/links. All right, we'll be right back.